everyone, I'm Khushi.
And I'm Kriti.
We're two students from DPS Bangalore North.
And we are one and only future leaders.
For Project Menstruation, that is Men in Menstruation, we aim to sensitize boys and men's approach towards menstruation by overcoming the negative mentalities and misconceptions. So before I start, I would like to ask all the men, have you ever had an open conversation on menstruation with the women and girls in your life? If not, then we have taken some interviews with the men.
ವಿಷಯ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಮುಂಚೆ?
ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೇಳೋರು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ರಾಧಾ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ?
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು.
ಹೌದಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ದು ಅಂತ?
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಜುಗರಲ್ವಾ, ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾನ? ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟ್
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇನಾ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಡೇಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಕಲ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಸುರೇಶ್.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅಂಕಲ್? ಆಂಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಾರ? ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅಂಕಲ್?
We want to change this. We want to have an open conversation with as many men and boys as possible in order to normalize this topic of menstruation. So before we pivoted into this project, we were part of another project where we raised 1.3 lakhs and provided women with cloth pads. After we pivoted into this project, we conducted a survey for over 200 men and boys. So in the survey, we had many boys who gave us positive responses, but we had some of them who said it was completely unnecessary for us to talk about something called menstruation with them. And that's when we realized that that was the very mindset that we wanted to change. We believe that not only men, but young boys can help us tackle the negative mentalities and the norms that are attached to the topic such as menstruation.
And that led to us conducting our first ever webinar for the boys, where we spoke to them not only about the biological process of menstruation, but also their significant role that they have to play in the topic. So by the end of the webinar, the boys told us that it helped them create transparency in the topic and have more conversations with the women in their lives.
But is it fair to only talk to men, or do women also have a very important role to play here? We strongly feel that women have a very significant role to play in this topic. Our whole project is aimed at helping women menstruate in peace. But because of the current pandemic situation, women are facing a problem because of the shortage of sanitary pads. 1M1B has always emphasized that our project should benefit the disadvantaged during the current situation. And so we decided to provide these women with pads. At the same time, we also want to use this opportunity to conduct a session with them on talking to men about menstruation. Our first session was with 50 Fenian factory workers, where we provided them with pads and we also spoke to them on the topic. They did not agree with us at first. We had to talk to them about the problems they face and how men can help them and why men do have a very significant role to play. And with that, they slowly started opening up to us.
So she said if she does get a chance in the future to talk about it, she will definitely take a stand on it.
ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಏಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಳ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Seeing the positive responses, we've decided to not only educate men on menstruation, but we also want to help and talk to many more women. Before ending, I would urge all of you to have an open conversation on menstruation, because even your 2-minute conversations can confront the whole taboo that men are not supposed to talk about menstruation. Thank you.